Today we're going to be working on answering questions based off our data that's been collected in a picture graph. So here I see my picture graph. It says our title is Crayons in the Supply Box. The colors that they've used are red, blue, and yellow. Let's see how many of each of these crayons we have. Red, we have 1, 2, 3. Blue, we have 1. And yellow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The question it wants me to answer is up here at the top. It says, how many more yellow than blue crayons are in the supply box? So look at my blue, I have 1. Look at yellow, I have 4. So if I put my line here, above that I have 1, 2, 3 more yellow crayons. 3 more. I can also figure this out by doing 4 minus 1 equals 3. Next one. Here we have another picture graph. At the top, the titles are already highlighted. It says favorite food. My food that we have graphed is pizza, chicken nuggets, and tacos. So let's see how many of each of these we have. I see 3 slices of pizza, 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken nuggets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tacos. Now my question up here at the top says, how many people like chicken nuggets and tacos the most? So that means I'm going to add up the chicken nuggets and tacos together. So I have 4 chicken nuggets and 5 tacos. 4 plus 5 equals, I could count all these together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people like chicken nuggets and tacos the most.